Hello, this is my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is personnel and training. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. This is my first Executive Series video that you've seen. Please go back and review the introduction. Check out the video description for an outline of the material and links to any supporting information. In my Executive Series videos, we review each QMS element in less than 2 minutes. We have a standard agenda which consists of 4 items. You can see those items in the progress bar below. As a bonus, if you stick around to the end of this video, I will give you 3 questions that you can ask that will highlight that you understand the requirement, but also get you some good information about your quality management system. Our requirement today, personnel and training, comes directly from 820.25 and ISO 1345 section 6.2. Personnel and training in 5 words. Employees require qualifications and training. There are 2 major requirements to this part. The first is that employees will have the necessary skills, background, education, and training to do the job that they're hired to do. The second part, once the employee is in the job, you've hired them, you must ensure they have the right training on your internal policies, procedures, work instructions to do the job. That training must include how the employee affects quality and how they impact the quality objectives. Finally, you must evaluate that training to ensure that it is effective. How do I know this is working? Well, first, each job has a job description that outlines the education, background, and experience needed for that job. Second, you have records to show that the employee in that job meets the requirements of the job description. Third, the employee itself in the job is trained to all the internal and external information they need in order to effectively do that job. So they have training to the procedures, policies, and work instruction. And then finally, you are evaluating the effectiveness of the training. How do I know it's not working? Well, first, employees don't have records in place to show that they meet the requirements for the job. Second, employees aren't trained on the current revisions of procedures and policies and work instructions. They just don't have the training records. Third, you're not evaluating the effectiveness of that training. And then finally, investigations into nonconformities routinely find employee error as the actual root cause, and the corrective action is retraining. And now for those 3 bonus questions. The first, how do we document the requirements of a position, and how do we ensure that employees meet the requirements of that position? Second, how do we evaluate training effectiveness? And then finally, how many times during an investigation do we identify employee error as the root cause and document a corrective action of retraining? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any questions, please send me an email at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained. Never stop learning.